A motion for a change of venue has been denied for a Greenfield man facing the death penalty on 2 counts of aggravated murder in Highland County Common Pleas Court. Attorneys for Wesley Coonrod filed a motion to have the trial held in an area outside of Highland County in order to ensure that Mr. Coonrod, who's charged with killing his 2 sons in a March fire, receives a fair trial before a jury untainted by pretrial publicity. Judge Rocky Koss denied the motion.
Having been involved in a number of very heavily covered cases myself in the years, find that the law does not require a change of venue be granted because of extensive publicity. And the other thing court will note is that with an October 4th trial date, that's approximately 6 months out from the date of the indictment. And the court has also noted in the in publicity that I don't think that the stories, at least were attached to motions, were particularly inflammatory or unfair. I mean, the nature of the crime is obviously one that's of the alleged crime is obviously one that is of great concern to everybody, but that alone is not sufficient to grant a change of venue. Given my experience, I've in 30-some years that I've never been able to not select a jury on either side or in a situation. So we should be able to deal with that.
It's become clear that the science that is involved in these kinds of cases is much more complicated than it once maybe was thought. And that it also appears to us, just from what little we know about the case, that much of this trial may focus directly on those forensic issues.
The October trial date is written in stone. I mean, it's going to happen then. We're not going to postpone it in the absence of the death of one of the principals. And I see multiple attorneys, so if one of you dies, I think the other one can carry on. So we're going to go forward on that date. So
Koss ruled on 31 other motions in total during the May 3rd hearing and noted the court may order a mental evaluation for Coonrod at a later date. Coonrod is next scheduled to be in court in June for a pretrial hearing. He's scheduled for trial in October.